Then we tail it with a little dragging.
That could be where the rowboat.
The rowboat is up behind, and then we put a big other part of the tail.
Oh.
Or we have 3 boats, little dinghies following, and we have the sea monster thing where we do this, this, and this, and then we have the giant. Like that. And then we have the. Wow. Bring into anything? Aren't you a little close, Bob?
That was perfect.
Wow. So then we got that. And
It'd be kind of like an app, but it wouldn't be really an app.
So Marylyn, do you have a favorite going on here?
I can see us doing that one.
Yeah, I could even see us doing
That's
this
doable.
with canoes and behind.
Yeah, that's doable. I don't know how we would do this one.
Yeah, this one.
I love that, but I don't know how we do it.
Attach your strings to the boat to hold it up, you know.
Oh, have a string up here?
And then
Well, that would work.
You want to take your
Yeah,
rocks
string.
and
Have tie a string from here to
hold it up.
corner. Yeah,
Yeah.
to hold it up.
You can do that when we're at the 4th of July party.
That wouldn't hold it.
canoes.
No, I mean, could it be
I think that's the plan.
like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is going to be fun.
Well, but we better get doing it.
We've got 3 days.
No,
Tonight.
it's tonight.
What?
It's tonight.
I thought it was on the 4th of July. No.
Tonight's the 3rd, even, just so you know.
Oh.
Let's take it off.
You guys have
Can I start putting scales on?
Alright, so we could do something.
Are we green painting it at all too, or is it?
I got
I
open.
don't think there's enough.
Here's
You know
some of the
what,
classic,
For now, I'm putting these in here.
Why?
Just so the dogs don't
maybe
step on.
we'll put some
Let the dogs
things
play
coming
with the
off
toys
of
they
that.
want to play
We want
with.
to get this on horn.
Sharp objects.
But as far as this profile, here's what I'll do.
He's just waiting for somebody.
Yeah, she's kind of limping on one of her back legs today. It seemed like the other day she was running, I thought she got stung by a bee.
It's gonna have a great big eye.
But then it like healed up. She started limping
Well,
again
I
today.
can do this. I can tape.
Okay, now tape them a little bit apart. Sorry. Wait, I'm not sure which direction.
There's clear tape here.
Go.
There's clear tape here.
Now, do you have a plan to cut around these shapes? Or are you going to just do it like that?
We're gonna probably taper this.
Okay.
You want to put a bunch of them down? I'll tape them across, or do you want to do one at a time?
Do we want the scales to go like this?
Cut here, cut this.
I'm
We're
impressed.
doing both
Here.
sides here. Really.
Yeah. So
I think
cut
that
this,
works.
Cut a slit here,
Like just score it slightly.
Yeah.
You mean? Is it?
Yeah, right.
So
No, actually cut through here to the score, and here to the score.
Not always scoring, not cutting.
Yeah, there. And then one more
Oh,
here.
I see.
Here. And then cut a score here, light score, and then we'll push this in, and then basically it'll shape.
should we cut the other side first
Yeah, and
before
then
we
cut
do
the other
this?
side, and then you'll shape
You're
this
gonna have to
in.
draw that.
Rick, you have a lot of experience doing these scorings, don't you?
Yes, I do. With Stanley, I've got my doubts. What color was my hat?
Rick, the mind is the first
White.
No, Marilyn, it was red.
Did you say your hat?
My hat.
I thought you said your ass.
Oh.
That was red too.
Marilyn, do you think that's enough paint?
Huh?
Do you think that's enough paint?
That's all we
On
have.
his head.
No, actually, that'll do. That's better than I thought we were gonna do here. Top of the green. Should I thin this out even more so I can just tape it directly to the back of the neck only? Because
Well, my original idea was that one boat would have a hump coming out, and then another boat would have a hump coming out, and then another boat would have the tail coming out.
That would be great.
yeah, we might have needed a couple more extra hours.
Yes. And definitely more supplies.
I think my first email about doing a monster was about a month ago.
What you got? All right, there we go.
Marty, before you cut anything, are you going to use it? We might need that for the body. I don't know. Oh. But
Wait, Gretchen.
but you could do.
Yeah, but
Cut that.
So we notice that people are slowing down to look at what we've got going on here because our dragon has eyes and it's drawing attention. And we're still working on the pirate skull right now. That's looking good, you guys. I think we did the right choice. Am I right too that when you were Jack's age, you had projects like this that your mother made you or had you do all the time?
Made us, I mean, had us.
Which was it?
I would say suggested. She suggested projects like this.
434.
Like we made castles for all the toads and turtles that we caught.
I know that it definitely had an inspiration in the way you raised your kids.
Probably.
You definitely have projects for them that you want them to take part in, and
Sometimes they're chores and sometimes they're art projects. And sometimes they blend.
They're trying to figure out how to put the teeth on. How are your skeleton heads?
They're drying over there, and we're just waiting for the paint to dry so we can put glue them together and put a bandana on its head.
Here, let me get something.
Ben says he has 2 gallons of gas.
Is that not much?
I think that's actually a lot
Okay, good.
for a boat motor.
Good. What do you think? Come out like you want it?
I love him now.
You should have his patch strap going over there. It doesn't show.
Oh
Have it
yeah.
going right over the kerchief.
Right. I don't know if black paint will stick to that, will it?
You guys, you got anything you want to say about this, Chris?
This is my finest hour.
I'm going to get pliers.
Come on, Missy. Missy, hey. Come on.
Oh. 2015, 4th of July, boat parade.
The Duck Loch Monster.
Duck Loch Monster.
Man, Annabelle, your mom's got muscle.
It's not Chinese. Did you hear what they just said? It's not Chinese New Year. Because it's a dragon.
Let's tie one end. Here, this end over here.
I'm almost thinking,
I was thinking more having it out for this way, and the pole.
The Duck Loch Monster.
look at that. It's so great looking. Looking good, Marty. I'm loving the bandanas too. That's got to tuck it in back and you're set.
All right.
Marty, any last words that before we go up and before the parade that you want to say about this, what's going on?
I would just say beware, Whitehall housewives. The Duck Loch Monster and the pirates are coming for you. My camera can go right there. Okay.
I'm fierce.
Good.
We can eat the fish we kill. We can eat the people we kill.
Round 2
The Duck Loch
of the pirate boat.
pretty cool.
Yeah, it does.
The
I'm
Ugly
proud of
Duckling.
both of our boats.
You know.
You
I
look
think-
good. You
I-
look really good.
I-
I think the beard really adds to it too.
Set. Arr! Arr! We're going dragon hunting!
Oh God.
We're hunting dragons!
Good. They're both.
You better watch yourself!
Arby dragons. Okay, we probably should have prepared some stuff.
Hey guys, what's Homer's wife's name? Marge! How you guys gonna pay for that? Charge! We're hunting for the Duck Loch Monster. And you know how big he is? Large! Extra large! the Duck Loch Monster.
How do we like our dragon meat? Charred!
Oh, I like that one. How big is that dragon? Large!
Not even doing it for anybody.
Doing it for ourselves.
Whose parade is this?
Ours!
I think how we stop functioning. Yeah. Oh, that was pretty good.
Who's the leader of Russia? Tsar! Boy, these guys are a tough crowd. They got duck calls even.
Yeah, look at that saddle. Way alone on this boat.
Oh, he's got. I think he's with that boat right there.
Start, or what are we doing?
Your favorite meat fat? Lard! Man, what do those refried beans make me do? Fart! We're hunting the Duck Loch Monster! And how big is he? And how are we gonna cook him? And what's our favorite letter of the alphabet? I just wished him a happy Chinese New Year.
Whose parade is this? Ours!
What's your favorite meat fat? Lard!
Whose boat will not be ignored?
Ours! What do we want to thank Ben for being? In charge!
Just kidding.
What's the name that only your dad calls you?
Marv. I know. Perfect.
You okay? You fine? Good, good. You didn't hurt yourself. So did you like the pirate boat? Yeah. And was it fun being on the dragon?
We're in top.
A lot of steps, huh? There we go. We did it. So what happened, Maria, on the deck over there?
I wished our neighbors a happy Chinese New Year.
And what was the response?
The response was,
Did you see the stars of that Marylyn made?
she had it coming.
Yeah.
Terry, here, Terry.
Call her Terry.
Why?
That's great.
Looking good.
It was for the pirate boat, right?
The prize people are here. What could you possibly be here delivering to us?
How many trophies get hand delivered? Where's Bonnie? We need both. We need you and Bonnie.
Here, come on in. Come on into our garage.
Yes.
Not too many trophies get hand delivered, Bonnie. You've got the Duck Loch Monster won Best Boat Award.
That's great.
So what's the prize we won?
You just got it. Where's the trophy? Hey!
I mean, is it top prize? Is that what?
Top prize?
Wow.
Best boat. That's absolute top.
How was the decision made? Were there judges or was it?
Judges, everything, right?
It's right in front of you.
When he started in commercial art, he did stand
Duck
up guard.
Lake Dynasty.
Hey, Dad.
Duck Lake Dynasty
I
got
did love it,
second.
yeah.
That was pretty good.
Which one? Which one?
Duck Lake
Second?
Dynasty.
Oh, yeah, that's the one we thought too
That
was
cool.
great.
We liked your Loch Ness Monster. That was very cool. I like how you could ride it. Very fun.
Was there any interesting discussion on why they picked it out or what struck them?
Always controversy. Always controversy. It didn't hurt to be veterans of the lake, though.
Nice.
It's an extra finger on the scale.
That's funny.
How many years on the lake?
What about,
Yeah, that helps a little bit in the voting. So very, very nice.
what about the pirates?
Well, the Pirates were definitely considered for best costume. It was very, very strong. Close, close. And, yep.
Are you filming this?
Duck
Oh,
Lake
I've been
Dy-
filming
Duck
all
Lake
this, yeah, yeah.
Dynasty got best costume. So they
Oh, great. That's great. That's great.
Pirates were a close number 2 in that one, though. So
Fantastic.
Our boat was fantastic.
it was fantastic, and I like that it's out on the swimming dock.
We want to be sure you can find us.
We gotta get back to everybody else. So congratulations.
I wanted to know details. I think it's interesting.
We'll see you later. See you, Lonnie.
Bye-bye.
Because Leia was blinking off and on.
Oh, that's funny.
We won again.
Can I take it? Nice trophy.
Who is that?
That's,
Metal too. It's not plastic.
that's Jack.
This will probably be in the New York Times.